In this video, we are going to see about the divergent and convergent thinking. So, what is a divergent and convergent thinking? In this video series, earlier we have seen about the design thinking. So, now we are going to see about divergent and convergent thinking. So, divergent thinking is mainly focused on finding new ideas. That is, we have to form a team and we have to discuss about the various ways or various methods which should be adapted to uh, design the project. That is, there is a standard method known as brainstorming is followed in industries. So where the people sit in a group and they will discuss whatever they feel about the projects and the possible inputs will be shared among the team members. And there are various methods in brainstorming, and we will see in the later part of the video. So, the main objective of this process is identifying new ideas, that is, the maximum number of ideas. Here, the idea need not to be crisp and it should not be, there is no need for it should be the perfect solution for the problem. It can be anything we can suggest for that problem. So, this is a divergent thinking, finding many ways or finding new ideas to a problem. Convergent thinking is gathering the facts to come up with an answer or a solution. That is, whatever the ideas we have derived through the divergent thinking process, we have to convert. That is, we have to filter it out. Which are the solutions which will be apt for the problem, or which solution will be the best solution for the problem. Here we have to narrow down the process and we have to string the thoughts. So this is the how divergent and convergent thinking works. So as we earlier said, we can see in this diagram where divergent thinking we have to learn or create more number of solutions for a problem. While during the convergent thinking, we have to analyze and filter the ideas, and we have to narrow down and we have to uh, find the best solution or best suggested ideas. So for this we can do a simple exercise for a divergent thinking and convergent thinking. So view this picture and write whatever you think about these products. So take some time and prepare well, and you can. This is a self exercise, and you can do it by yourself. Also, write what are the uses of this object. So everyone knows it's a mobile phone, but it is need not to be a mobile phone. You can think it as a rubber, erasers, or a pencil box, whatever it may be, or you can think it is to be as a mobile phone. So whatever you think by watching this picture, you write it down and write about the object and what will be the use first you are going to get this object. After divergent thinking, you have to convert, that is converged thinking, where you have to find the correct solution from the thought process. So whether what about the object and uses of the object, you have derived many solutions for the problem, and based upon your experience, you have to filter those things. And also you have to ask two questions: why you prefer to buy this project? If you are a consumer, whether you will be ready to buy this object, and why you refer the object. Also, after buying, will you be able to refer based upon your usage? Mm, so whether you will be ready to happy to refer this object in a positive way or a negative way, whatever it may be. So whether the consumer or the customer will be happy enough to refer this project. So these are the questions you have to ask and you have to search to address a problem. So this is one of the best method which are followed, and is also a simple method which you can derive plenty of solutions and find a best solution. So at last This is a simple difference between the convergent and divergent thinking. As earlier said, divergent thinking, we have to explore many possible solutions, whereas in convergent, we have to find the most effective answer to a problem. Now, in divergent thinking, there are multiple solutions, whereas in convergent thinking, there is only one right solutions. In divergent thinking, you use inductive reasoning. Here, you use deductive reasoning. And in divergent thinking, you can suggest your ideas in a free flowing manner, spontaneous. It need not be a linear or sequential way. You can jump with your ideas. But in convergent, your filtered ideas should be accurate and it should be logical also. You can take more time for divergent thinking, but whereas for you have to take a minimum time for convergent thinking. So simply this picture will explain the about the divergent and convergent thinking in an easy way, where we have to ask many questions and collect more number of ideas, maximum number of ideas in divergent thinking, where convergent thinking is going to find the absolute answer or correct solution. So here this answer will be based upon the exact fact or logical reasoning. So exact logic, it will be suitable for the product development. So that's all with this topic. We will catch in the next video. Thank you.